Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to share some fun ways to get kids involved in all things gardening. Spending time outside in the yard and garden with your kids is the perfect summer activity. There's so much to see and learn, and the curiosity and inspiration that comes from being surrounded by nature is priceless. Plus, kids learn the importance of patience and responsibility early on as they watch and care for the flowers and plants around them. My niece Hazel, who is fourth generation in our English Gardens family, is only 2 and she loves spending time in the garden that her parents have created. She has a special love for nature and is totally in her element when she's surrounded by all the interesting plants and colors. I want to share a few great tips I've learned from my sister and brother-in-law, and even more ideas for getting the kids into the garden. Tip number 1, explore color and texture. Little kids have an extraordinary eye for color and are instantly drawn to it. Consider adding a variety of different plants in various colors. Being surrounded by this real-life rainbow creates a happy and fun environment for kids and adults. Plus, there are so many interesting plants that grow at various heights, bloom at different times, and have unique leaves, flowers, and textures. All of these things are exciting for kids to explore and provoke curious questions and ideas. Tip number 2, create a spot just for kids. No matter the size or space you have available, provide the kids with a sense of ownership by giving them a special area of the garden that is all their own. For older kids, this gives them a chance to pick and choose what they'd like to plant and watch grow. Plus, it's a great opportunity to learn about the important care tips for what they're growing. For younger kids, even caring for a simple and small potted plant is huge. Start with the daily task of watering. Help them fill up their watering can and learn how to water so their plant can grow big and strong. Any involvement helps kids see that they too can play a role in making the world beautiful. Tip number 3, give them a special gardening toolkit. So you've got your gardening gloves and must-have tools, and English Gardens has the perfect kid-sized versions that they are going to love. They'll feel special having their very own tools and can help you with your daily gardening tasks along the way. How adorable are these little gloves? I love these in the different colors and patterns. And we've got some little mini tools, perfect for them to use in the garden, and some bigger tools too. So we got a rake, a broom, and how cute are these watering cans? I love this Chameleon one, so adorable. Tip number 4, don't forget to make time for play. Take advantage of your child's curiosity and desire to have fun. Things that we may take for granted, such as a flower opening up during the day or fresh cut grass, may be magical to a child. They'll learn so much by being in the garden and using all of their senses. As kids learn more and more about growing plants, they'll want to share with others and can invite their friends to join in on the fun. And finally, tip number 5, for the best inspiration of all, taking a trip to English Gardens is an excellent way for kids to explore and learn about new plants and flowers. There is so much to see, and our English Gardens experts are there to answer any questions. Stop in today to get started on all of your gardening projects and encourage your kids to join in on the fun too. For products used in this video, check out the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.